And here we go. Woo! Lamb chops right here. Follow me step by step. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. Yes, baby, we have a full rack of lamb right here. There you go. Look how beautiful that thing is. Woo-hoo-hoo. We're gonna go high class today. A full rack of lamb. Let's do it. Just follow me step by step. Here we go. So we have our rack of lamb chops here. I like to make some cuts on top of it after I clean it and pat it down with a paper towel. I like to make some cuts sideways, just like this, not too deep, but I like to make some cuts so the season gets in there. And then I'm gonna separate each chop, but not all the way down. I'm gonna split them in between, but I'm gonna leave like half an inch at the bottom so they all stay together. And then we're gonna open them up like a fan, and that's gonna look awesome, so good on a table for your friends and family. Just follow me. I'm gonna split all these chops one by one, starting on top, and then I'm gonna stop when I get to the bone right there, leaving about half an inch to 3/4 of an inch at the end, but not going all the way down. I want this to stay as a pack, but I want to fan out, and just for the looks. And then you serve it like that, and then people can just get whatever piece they want. They can cut their own piece, and that's gonna be so spectacular on your table. So here we go. We're gonna season these babies now. So I'm gonna spread them apart like that, like a fan. And now we're gonna season the same thing on both sides. I'm gonna use garlic salt here, and I'm just sprinkle all over it. Not too much because we're gonna use 4 different seasonings. I'm gonna use all-purpose butchers here. Again, just a little sprinkle all over it. And I like to put my complete seasoning here. So if you have any seasoning that you like for your meats, just use whatever you have. And some teriyaki marinade. I like to control the flow just a little bit like that, a few drops here and there, but not too much. But that's gonna cut a little bit of that flavor of the lamb, and you'll see the difference. That's kind of the secret ingredient in this one. So again, whatever we did on the top, we're gonna do it here on the bottom as well. Remember to like my channel, subscribe to the video. Like my video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. Share the words. We're making great things here. So the same 4 seasonings that we use on the outside, we're gonna do it here on the inside, and then same thing. We're just gonna sprinkle them all over it, making sure that everything takes a little bit of that seasoning, but not too much. And then the final touch, the secret ingredient for the lamb, is this teriyaki marinade. Is gonna be awesome. You'll see the difference. If you tried lamb chops before, these are gonna taste way different. A little bit of olive oil as well. I like to put a little bit of olive oil, so this is gonna help in giving it that super golden color when it comes out of the oven. You'll see how beautiful they look when they come out of the oven, and that oil actually helps a lot there. So you're gonna make sure that all the seasoning goes in between the chops as well. So give it a good rub all over it, making sure that the seasoning goes everywhere, including, the most important, in between all these chops. Make sure that seasoning goes everywhere. You see in between here, make sure there's some seasoning in there. So we're gonna have a baking pan here, but you don't want to see the rack over there. So we're gonna use this little grill here, and we're gonna put the lamb chop rack right on top of this one, so it's not on top of the the liquid that forms from the fat melting. So we're gonna raise them a little bit just like that. This is my preference. You can do it any way you want, but I like to separate the rack of lamb from the liquids that go to the bottom of that pan. So in the oven there it goes. We're gonna put it in the oven just like that, in the middle of the oven, skin side down, and we're gonna give it 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes. So after 20 minutes or so, I like to rotate the pan here because sometimes the oven actually hits harder on the back. So I like to rotate them so they all take the kind of the same amount of heat. So after 40 to 45 minutes, you check for you check your temperature that is done, depending to your liking. This is how I like them. Look how beautiful this. Look how beautiful they look. Awesome. Look at that color. And what do you think? What do you guys think is missing here? Obviously, we have to taste it. Here we go. Let's try it. Let's cut one here. Let's cut one here. One of these chops, and we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Of course we're gonna try this. You know it. You know it, right? Increíble. This is just incredible. Listen, if you don't like lamb, some people say they don't like lamb. Listen, I'm telling you, this one you are really really gonna like it. You're gonna like this one. This is an awesome recipe with these seasonings that we use. This is not your traditional lamb at a restaurant. This is something that you're gonna surprise all your friends and family. This is just absolutely awesome.